Hey guys, this is Netta from Ad Optimizer. Today I wanted to show you how to look at our BI reports. So after you've logged in and you've reached our dashboard, in order to see your BI reports, you're going to go to Optimization, and then BI Reports, and then select the client you want to view data for. Now when you reach this screen, what you're seeing right now is the language view. If you look under View Type on the top left-hand corner, you can see what view you're currently looking at. Ad Optimizer offers you 4 different view types through which you can look at your information. We have the language view, the country view, the time view, and the campaign view. I'm going to go through each and every single one. For now, I'm going to select language view, which is basically what we're already looking at. The language view lets you look at each and every single language that you're running campaigns in, and you can break it down further by clicking these little arrows, and then you can see the countries, and the campaign types, and the actual campaign names. Right now this is a demo, so we're just looking at campaign name over here, but obviously when you're inside your information, you're going to see your actual campaign names. Now you can see in the columns that Ad Optimizer offers you a wide variety of information. There's information about cost, about sales, about CPA. I encourage you to go through and look at each and every single column in your own time. So as we said, this is the language view, and you can also filter this for whatever dates you want. So for example, if you wanted to just look at January 2015, you could hit refresh, and then all this information is going to be updated just for January. You can also, of course, select a range of dates, and to do that all you have to do is go back to the select date button and use this Use Date Range Filter radio button, and then that gives you the option of selecting dates like you normally would in a drop-down menu. And press Done when you're finished, and then of course select Refresh. And then you can see over here the filter that it's updated for the dates that you chose. You can also select the locations you want to view information for. So let's say I just want to look at Austria. And there we go, I can see just the information for Austria. If I want to clear changes and see everything at the same time, all I have to do is click this button over here. And it's going to go back to the default, which is basically all the information I have in the system. If I wanted to take a look at this information in Excel, I have 2 different options. On the top menu bar over here, we have Export Grid, which is basically just going to take whatever information you're currently viewing. So according to all your filters, for example, if you picked dates or if you picked countries, and it's going to export that to an Excel table. You could also export BI, which is going to give you all the information that's stored here, even the information you're not currently looking at. So that was the language view. Now if you wanted to view your information by country, you could go up to this menu and select Country View. And again, select the client. And that's going to give you all that information for the client separated by country. You can also look at Time View by clicking Time View up in this menu. And again, select the client you want to view the information for. Now the default view here has all your information for all time, but if you wanted to look at specific dates or specific months, then same as in language view, all you'd have to do is go to the Select Date button and choose the specific dates you wanted to work with. So for example, if I just wanted to look at January 2015, I would select this button and then 2015 and press Done. And then once I hit refresh, all the data that's here is going to be just for January 2015. The last view I want to show you is the campaign view. Underneath the View Type menu, select Campaign View, and then again select your client. And the information you're going to see over here is broken down by actual campaign. Now when you're viewing your information, you're going to have your actual campaign names underneath name, but for this demo we just have the words campaign name. Now underneath each campaign name, you can see a breakdown into ad group by pressing this little arrow, and then by pressing this arrow you can actually see a breakdown into keywords. And this is actually one of the really cool things about Ad Optimizer because it gives you all this information that's cross-referenced between AdWords and between the information in your CRM. So for each and every single keyword, you can see how much it spent and how much it brought in and what its average position is, and all this information that you can see per campaign, you can also see for each and every single keyword. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning about our BI reports. Thanks for watching.